everyone, welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Bigo Live app on your Android. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates from us. Before getting started, make sure that you have a stable internet connection so that you can download the app without any hassle. So let's get started. Firstly, open up the Play Store app in your phone. Once the main tab has opened, click on the search bar at the top and then write in Bigo Live app. As you can see, it shows the recommendations. Click on it and then it will show you the app. Click on the install button and now all you have to do is wait. Once the download percentage hits 100, then the app will be successfully downloaded. After all this, your app is now ready to be used. As you can see, the app is now visible and then you can open it as well. That's it for today. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedback. We will soon be back with more videos. Stay connected and goodbye till then.